Now we are learning how to cook loose prawns. Main ingredient loose prawns, ginger cut into small pieces, green chilli cut into small pieces, garlic cut into small pieces, corn flour 2 tablespoons, crushed pepper, 1 egg. Now let's start the preparation. Maida 2 tablespoons, corn flour 2 tablespoons. Now beat an egg into the mixture. Add salt as your taste. Add a pinch of crushed pepper. Add food color optional. Now mix them well. After marination, keep it aside after the marination for some time. Pour oil in kadai for deep fry. Mix again the marinated prawns. Heat the oil. Check the temperature. Now let us deep fry the prawns. Let them fry. Let them fry for 15 minutes. Drain the excess oil. Fry prawns like this and keep it aside. Let them cool. Take some oil into another kadai. Let us add ginger, garlic, chillies. Fry them. Fry them till they turn into little brown color. Now add some pepper into the mixture. Pinch of salt as your taste. Now add the fried prawns which we have kept aside. Now toss them. Take some chopped onions for decoration, some coriander for decoration as you wish. Our delicious loose prawns are ready. Let us serve them. Our loose prawns are ready to eat. Enjoy the loose prawns.